So we were done with reading comprehension portion. Let's start discussing exercises related to vocabulary portion now. So the question is, put the correct prefix in each blank to complete the sentence. Include hyphens where necessary. So we have prefixes over, non, miss, anti, multi या multi, ex, pre, under, pro. Prefixes क्या होते हैं जो word के starting में लगते हैं. तो अब हमें words को देखते हुए correct prefixes blanks में लगाने हैं. First is the dash lingual staff at the school will make you feel very welcome. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So the first is the dash lingual staff at the school will make you feel very welcome. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा multi या multi. Second is he has been charged with dash use of company funds. Misuse of company funds. Third is pro-government forces have won the latest battle and the Prime Minister seems safe for the time being. Pro-government. Fourth is this was an early prototype of an dash aircraft missile but was replaced within a year due to repeated malfunction. So यहाँ पे we can use anti-aircraft. Fifth is the meat was superb but the pasta was completely dash cooked and tasted like wet cardboard. So यहाँ पे overcooked आएगा. Sixth is the shop was closed down for having sold cigarettes to dash age customers. Underage customers. Seventh is I'm not a socialist now. I would describe myself as a dash communist, but I have changed my opinions on many matters. Ex-communists. Eighth is I used to work for a large dash profit organization that worked in the third world to improve education provision. So here we can use non-profit.